is our Lego water tank. We're going to bury it in the ground. So right now we're starting to build the water tank, and I need to add a bunch of blocks to it and add them in a way that will draw water from our blocks and tell me I'm building it from the ground floor right now. I'll have to raise the walls all the way around so we can pour a lot of water into it, and we'll also have to install a small Lego block system so all the water can drain out from one place. Right now I am making a stand for the Lego water tank so that we can comfortably place our water tank on this stand. Now we will increase its height a little more. After that, our tank will be complete. After that, we will pour water in it and check that its own story is not getting written and water can come out like a tap. The Lego water tank is ready. Water is going to be poured here and water is going to come out from this place. Let's get started. Let's fill the Lego tank with water and do the testing. Friends, it seems that it is actually reducing the tank, and look from here, water is coming out just like water comes out from the tap. Friends, you like the video call, it looks cool. Building a small Lego wall. Next I'm gonna build a large Lego wall. Let's test that out too.